Hey everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales of, where we share about family travel and outdoor adventure. It's been a while, but we want to get right back into some outdoor adventures today with you guys, and wanted to share a hike we're going to do today. We are going out near North Bend, Washington, and going to hike along the Snoqualmie River, hopefully. Every time we get out to this area, something seems to be going on, whether or not trailheads are closed or roads are washed out, so we will see what happens. But I also wanted to share what we have cooking while we are gone. In the crock pot I have pumpkin chili, and it is from a blog called This Pilgrim Life. Perfect chili for fall because its special ingredients are pumpkin and maple syrup. So we're excited to have that going while we are off hiking, and I'll link the recipe below in case you're interested. It's definitely a family favorite and something that we look forward to, and it's lots of fun to have in the fall. We are just about ready to go, and we will see you at the trailhead. Good day for a hike, huh guys?
See if I can keep hiking. Here, turn around. Say hi to Mom.
Hello.
Walking girl.
Hi.
Nature hawk. Taking the high road. Look at this rock that the kids found. So cool. Wow.
Right up there. Do you see it over here?
No.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I see it. So cool.
It was like something coming off the edge. Like a rock slide or something, or a tree. I don't know. It was not like it was not thunder.
So we're just hiking on the Pratt River Trail, and we heard this big crack, and I thought it was thunder, and Georgia thought it was thunder, and so did Bergen, but Slade's smarter than us.
Oh, you thought it was thunder?
And it was actually some kind of tree or a rock or debris falling off in the distance, and now we're all a little bit freaked out. We're probably just noticing it more, but we see that there's like this fog also moving upward, and so then it makes us think that it's dust. Ooh. So what do you think it was?
I think it was more than a tree.
More than a tree?
I think.
Do you think it was boulders?
I think it was boulders. I think it was releasing off of that cliff, that waterfall.
You think it was boulders?
Boulders coming off that waterfall. That's what I think.
You saw back that big waterfall. We don't know the name of it. We are finishing up the Pratt River Trail, and it looks like we did about 7 miles today. We didn't hear any more rock falls, and we didn't run into anyone else who had heard them. So we would have liked to have someone who was behind us pass us, but that didn't happen. I'm looking forward to that pumpkin chili. How about you?
Yeah.
Pumpkin chili and cornbread. So we're back from our hiking adventure, and the kitchen smells amazing with this chili cooking up, and we just wanted to say thanks for joining us on our big wet adventure today, and we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave wild adventures, and we'll see you next time. Time to make some cornbread.